So over here, you can see that I have this video block right here, and it is there placed in a certain way in a certain size. If I want to go ahead and resize the video, let's say for example, then I can simply pull out the handles onto the left and make it bigger, or push it out to keep it in the center as well. Over here on the top, you got the alignment as well, so you can align it to the left right here, you can align it to the center or in the right as well, according to how you want. You can also add in a comment if you want, and then you can also add in a caption to the video if you want right here. So you can see that this is what you have. If I were to go to original, then what happens is that it simply plays the original video separately right here, just like this as well. And then you can click on more actions and you can see that there are different options for the block right here. So you can see that you can control out the audio from over here. You can even make the video full screen and then play the video right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the video block properties inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.